Oh my goodness, I'm so glad you are here. Welcome to this video and to my channel. Click that subscribe button if you're interested in more do-it-yourself solutions. But today we're going to be taking a look at this. I'll be showcasing this little reading nook that I built for my daughter using some not exactly common household items, but things that you can pick up here and there online. But it's basically got this cloak thing. I've got a little globe battery-operated strobe light for her. That she can basically reach. And I used some fishing wire to basically just fold it over there so she can control the button and the light can kind of come down to her appropriate height. So it's adjustable with some fishing line. You can see I cut a hole in the top of this cool little drapery and it hooks into the ceiling using just a standard hook. Make sure you use an anchor if you're going directly into drywall, or if you're going into a stud, that should not be an issue. But they got pillows down below for her, so it's nice and comfy and a great place for her to sit and read. She is 6 years old, and gosh, having your own cool little place like this, she loves it. So yeah, that's about it. It's very simple, totally affordable, I think, and a job that you can do yourself. We'll go ahead and stop the video there. Thanks for being with me, and click that like button if this has helped you out at all. Appreciate it. Thanks.